So today I wanted to talk about idea generation and some of the biases that exist around idea generation. It's my opinion that a good opportunity can come from anywhere, and I know, in my own experience that I have gotten good ideas from many different sources and many different unexpected sources. So I think an investor should be open to the possibility of getting a good idea from many different sources, and I think that you owe it to yourself to be curious and do the work on an opportunity. Sure, if the opportunity is outside of your circle of competence, then you should pass on it, but otherwise you should investigate it and determine whether it's a good risk reward for you as an investor. But many investors don't do that. Many investors are biased in terms of, for whatever reason, in terms of where they will accept their ideas, or perhaps they're just lazy. I have a regular dinner with a former colleague where we exchange ideas, and we just had dinner recently. In the course of that dinner, we each gave one another an idea. I spent the next day, a good part of the next day, investigating the idea I was given because I determined that it was something that I could understand. And in the end, I decided to pass on the idea because, from my perspective, it represented some risk that I wasn't comfortable taking. I happened to notice the idea that I gave him, which was a low risk balance sheet idea, appreciated by about 17% over the next few days. And so I was curious to know if he had managed to invest in it. And when I contacted him, when I emailed him, he hadn't actually even spent any time looking at the idea. So, and that's caused him to miss an opportunity. So, why do people do this? I think sometimes people are just busy. They only think of ideas as being credible if they come from a particular source, or sometimes they think they need to come up with ideas on their own, when in fact most investment ideas are begged, borrowed, and stolen from elsewhere. So in your investing, I think it's very wise to be curious and to be open and to accept and look for opportunities no matter where they come from. Yes, eliminate them if they're outside of your circle of competence, but other than that, investigate them thoroughly and determine whether they actually are an opportunity or not, because everyone that you know at some point in their life will have an investment opportunity, an investable investment opportunity based on their personal experience, their business experience, or whatever. And it's your job, I think, or my job, to be open to seeing those opportunities.